Hi everyone, happy Thursday. My name is Christian DeBouche. I'm a licensed real estate agent with a Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell in the Gulf Beach communities of Pinellas and Pasco County. If that's something you're interested in, wanting to learn more about buying or selling your home, you can reach me at 727-303-1521. And let's get into it. I want to talk to you about some of the homes that just hit the market today, one of which is actually back on the market. First off, there's two beautiful homes here in the Treasure Island neighborhood that I call home. The first one is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,828 square foot beauty on the water with its own private dock, listed with MAV Realty for $1,580,000. Next on Treasure Island, we have a beautiful 3-bed, 3-bath, 1,600 square foot home, also on the water, listed with eXp Realty for $1,799,500. Next door in St. Petersburg, we have a beautiful 3-bed, 2-bath, 2,158 square foot home listed with Luxury Beach Realty Inc. for $2,295,000. Next door to that is a beautiful home that's back on the market, 5 beds, 6 bathrooms, 5,519 square feet, private dock, Gulf access, and that's listed with Keller Williams South Tampa for $4,680,000. Lastly, a condo, and this one's big. It's here in St. Pete Beach, listed with Highmark Real Estate, 4 beds, 5 baths, $4,250,000. Now, like I said before, if any of these homes are of interest to you and you want to learn more about the neighboring communities, I'm Christian DeBouche with Real Broker. You can reach me at 727-303-1521 or all my social media at CD Selling St. Pete. Talk to you later.